Welcome to SunPower Pro Tips. Let's test the AC voltage in the SunVault ESS. This work should only be done by a qualified person who has received safety and product installation training. Each reading must be approximately 120 volts except when testing ground or line 1 to line 2, which must each be approximately 0 volts. Before you begin, put on appropriate arc flash personal protective equipment. Open the ESS door and remove the inverter AC wire cover. Refer to the wiring label on the outside of the cover. At the 3 AC power terminals, test each of the following with a voltage meter one at a time. Line 1 to ground, line 1 to neutral, neutral to ground, line 2 to ground, line 2 to neutral, and line 1 to line 2. At the 3 AC sense terminals, test each of the following one at a time. Line 1 to ground, line 1 to neutral, line 2 to ground, line 2 to neutral, and line 1 to line 2. If the readings are as described at the start of this video, you are all set.